Hi everyone, welcome to the GeoAR tutorial. In this video I explain the fixed point calibrations. If you read the paper, you know that the fixed point is a modality where it's not always required to have a GPS with you, but it requires that you first go to your calibration area and know the coordinates of a few points before and store those coordinates in the calibration manager, so the application knows what are those positions. So let's start how to perform it. You click calibration options, and then here you select, you have location based, fixed points and spatial anchors, select fixed points, right? And then if you press load fixed spheres, you have 4 spheres: red, green, blue and yellow. And what you just need to do is to move them to the fixed positions that you previously measured. Have here the 4 positions: the red positions, the green position, the blue position and the yellow position. So basically I will move these spheres there. Let's start with the red one. Let's move. And then you put the red sphere at the red position. Looks good. The next one is the green that I will move. Come here, green sphere, and I will put it on the position. Remember, you have already measured the geographic coordinates of those markers before. Green, the next one is blue. I will move there. The blue is here. And finally you have this yellow sphere, and then you add to the position. It's always good to check again if they are in the same place, because they might move a little bit. Try to walk around so that you can readjust their position to make them more accurate. Here's the red. Okay, it looks good. The green, a little bit shifted. You can move here. Adjusting very well. Here is the blue, seems good, and the yellow. Okay, once they are in the correspondent position, you can just press calibrate, and then you have the accuracy of a calibration. The parameters are calculated. Let's load the visualization to check. Oh, right. Here you have your building and the green landmarks. There is one on the Stephan's Dome there. There is one here for the trucks. You can see it's a little bit shifted. This modality is not very accurate, but you can see more or less that's working. So that's it, how you do the fixed point calibration. Thank you very much.